Hello developers, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe for new updates. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to integrate OpenCV C# in your Xamarin project. So, as I have mentioned here, you need to download from the highlighted website. So, I have already downloaded in my desktop. So, you just need to click here, clone, and just download the zip file. As I have already downloaded that zip file, later you need to extract here. So I have done the extraction. It is little bit a big file, so you need to wait for your download complete. The next step is copy and paste that extracted files to your solution project. Now you need to add a source folder in your solution. So I'm going to add this source here. So you don't need to add here. You need to add in the very top of your project. As I have added here the solution source folder, the next step is you need to add .so file. So here I have listed 5 SO files you need to import. So first is OpenCV Sharp. So I'm going to add existing project. You need to select, then the file path you need to go where you have extracted your OpenCV master. So first I'm going to add OpenCV Sharp. You need to select this. Okay, so I have added successfully first file. Second file you need to add is OpenCV Sharp.Android. So again you need to add existing project. You need to go into Android, then you need to select this. Third one you need to add is OpenCV Sharp.Windows. So we will add existing project OpenCV Windows solution file. Then you need to add fourth file, that is OpenCV Sharp external. Not extension, you need to add external. This is basically C++ library. Later on we will convert. Now fifth step you need to add is OpenCV Sharp extend Droid. So you will go here, you will select this. So as you see, all the 5 SO file I have added what I have mentioned here. Now next step is you need to convert the PCL project to the .NET. So there is 4 basic steps to convert your PCL project to .NET Standard. Because what we have imported from the OpenCV master, that is portable project. Now you need to convert that portable project into .NET Standard. So we'll do. First step is you need to unload the project. So right click here, unload the project. Then second step is you need to double click and start editing. Edit, open. You need to click here, edit, open CV sharp.cs project file. So whatever you have inside in this file, you need to just delete, empty this file. Then you need to paste this. Now your project is ready to use as .NET Standard. Now you need to again reload this project. It will prompt you this, you need to give yes. Okay, so as you see, the portable text is removed from this solution. Now you need to add one Nugget package here because it is using Xamarin Forms. So you need to add here, go to this solution, package manager, solution. Then you need to go into install, then you select Xamarin Form, and then as you see, the different versions of Xamarin Forms are installed here. So what you need to do is basically you need to unselect Windows, Droid. Okay, so from Windows and from Droid you will uninstall Xamarin Form Nugget package. So you will click uninstall. Now just ignore these errors. Now next step is you need to select OpenCV. Okay guys, so as you see, my Xamarin Form Nugget package are installed in my Xamarin Form project, Android, iOS and source, and here OpenCV Sharp. Only these 4 projects have this nugget, else you uninstall the Xamarin Forms from all other projects. So only 4 projects you need to install. After this I will tell you the next step. So next step, so these 4 projects you have to install your Xamarin Form Nugget package, else you uninstall from other projects. So now our next step is you need to delete the .config file from your project which you have converted. So we will go here, you need to delete the package config file. So you delete this permanent. Second step is you delete the assembly info. So here you need to delete assembly info also. So our project is ready to use in .NET Standard. Now the last but not the least is 6th step, you need to add the reference to your projects. So I will add here reference of this project in my this project Xamarin Form. So right click, add reference. So now we will add the reference to this project. To do this you need to click right click here, add project reference. So you need to add 2 project reference, one OpenCV Sharp, then next. So you need to add here 2 reference. So first is OpenCV Sharp and second is OpenCV Sharp.Android. So we will do this. So first you need to add OpenCV and second this one. You need to click yes. Now you need to add the same thing here. Add reference. You need to add this and this. You need to click yes. Now if you are using iOS, then you need to add only one reference, that is this one, OpenCV Sharp, not Android. Okay, so you need to just add one reference in the iOS. Okay, so the solution is ready to use. Now I will tell you step by step how I did this. First step, the design is the simple one button and one image source. Then on the click of the button, I will first check the permission of the storage that user need to grant. Then I have used Cross Media plugin to pick a photo from your gallery. Then I will go and execute my image. So it will go here, and as you can see, I have mentioned here the 6 steps, that is converting our image, and it will give you a paper effect. That is how you can how you scan your document and it will give you black and white paper effect. So you can follow this 6 steps, and when the output is ready, then we need to store that output somewhere. So for that I have used one utils, that is isave.file. So here one interface I have created, and in the Android I have created save file Android. So here in your internal storage it will save inside the scan OpenCV folder. Here you can give any name you want to give. So in the last, the output will be saved in that folder. So I will show you how I have done. See here, it's very simple dependency service you need to use, and you need to pass the image name and this source. Now I will show you the output in my mobile, how it is working. So guys, as you can see, while running the app, it will give you this error: unsafe code may only appear if compiler with unsafe. So you need to double click this and it will go into the file, and you need to add allow. You need to allow unsafe code in this project. So your errors will be gone. You need to clean. You need to clean this project. So guys, as you can see, my app is running successfully. Now you have to do is click here. It will ask you to add the image. You need to pick the image, and it's ready. So guys, as you can see, the output is very clear and the image quality is also good. So it has converted this image. It is, you can see the image is not good, and it has the background. So it has removed everything and it has give you a scan type document. This feature I have also done using imaging library, which I have shown in my previous video. You can follow my YouTube channel, you can see. But in that plugin, the conversion time is so long, means it is taking nearby 1 minute to convert. But in this video using OpenCV, it is just converting your image in just half a second. So hope you guys you like my video and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.